I really enjoyed the detail that he provided of describing not only the instruments, the kinds of sounds that they made, where they originated from, and getting it, discussing the organicness of so many of the instruments. The sound journey, that was very pleasant, very peaceful. Yeah, if they offered another program where there were moves, I'd definitely be there.
It took me on a journey. I just kind of lost myself there at the end.
Oh, it was wonderful. Wonderful.
I just finished a workshop with Daniel, and he took us on a fantastic journey through the history and the origins of many different instruments. But the most exciting part of all was the sound bath at the end, in which he transported us to different realms through the different vibrations, taking us all around the world. So I thank you, and I wish him luck with what he's doing in his work.
I thoroughly resonated to the experience. Inside and out. It was emotionally satisfying. It was intellectually inspiring, and I feel lifted.
Just have to say that the depth of his understanding, his knowledge, and his skill brought me into a place that I haven't been before, and I so appreciate this workshop, and I look forward to hearing more from him.
Good for work. Thank you very much.